Intrinsic Quality, an electronics test engineering company. Intrinsic Quality specializes in test development products and services. These include functional test and in-circuit test programs and fixtures. We are also a sales and tech support center for flash runner device programmers and FASA LED testers. Intrinsic Quality custom engineers functional testers for circuit boards and other assemblies. From standalone test fixtures to PC integrated universal test stations, we have the solution. Intrinsic Quality has been providing in-circuit test programs and fixtures for over 25 years. We are a proud member of the Teradyne Support Network and offer quality-assured software and hardware. Intrinsic Quality is a sales and tech support center for Flash Runner, a universal in-system device programmer. We also offer a Flash Runner-based programming station with functional test and data logging capabilities. We also distribute FASA, an LED tester that can test the brightness and the color of LEDs mounted on printed circuit boards and other assemblies. For more information on our products and services, visit our website at intrinsicquality.com or call us at 847-258-5598.